Tony is your English name.
Yes.
Okay. Tony, what is your full Vietnamese name? Give me your full Vietnamese name.
My full name is Nguyễn Việt.
Can you spell your surname?
H
H-U and
U.
U. Ah, two U's.
Yeah.
Easy to remember. Okay, Viet or Tony. Tony, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
And where do you live?
I live in Hanoi City, Pattaya District.
Okay, tell me what's the weather like in Hanoi?
The weather is rainy and very hot.
Rainy and hot?
Yes.
Really? Today is hot, but it's rainy? Are you sure? So what do you think is your final answer? Rainy or cloudy only?
It's very hot today. Last day is rain.
Yeah, last few days, right? It's raining.
Yes.
So it's flooded in our place. But today is kind of sunny day, so it's kind of hot, right? So today we will talk about some topics about films, but before we move to that topic, I'm going to ask you about your school.
Yeah.
How far is your house to your school?
My house to school distance from my house to school. My school is about 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer only. And then how do you go to school?
I go by my bicycle.
I go by.
My bicycle.
Okay. And question about the motorcycle here in Hanoi or in Vietnam, particularly in Vietnam. There are many motorbikes, right? Okay. Let's talk about the traffic in your place. Okay, particularly in Hanoi. Can you tell me about the traffic in Hanoi?
The traffic in Hanoi is very bad because a lot of people they use motorbike for transportation.
Yeah. So if a lot of people here, they are using motorbike for transportation, what do you think must one always do when he or she rides a motorbike?
My mom always ride motorbike in pavement when have a traffic jam.
So what else do you need to do if you are riding or using motorbike as your transportation? Things that you need to do.
I mustn't ride motorbike on pavement. Mustn't go right is red light.
What else? How about the helmet?
I need to wear a helmet.
For safety, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, what about driving license? Do you need to have driver's license?
No.
No need? Okay. But I guess it's very important. If you will use motorbike, you have to bring your driver's license, wear helmet, and what else?
I mustn't go on the pavement.
Okay, and?
We mustn't go when it's red light.
Yeah, stop when the lights turn to red. Okay. So let's talk about the film. What type of films do you usually watch?
I usually watch anime.
Anime.
Yes.
Anime. Can you say it again? Anime.
Anime.
Okay, anime or anime. Why do you like anime films?
Because I like animation.
You like animation movies or animation films? Okay, so do you prefer watching films at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching film in my home
At home?
because I can watch every film I like.
Great job. Okay, so for the first part, we are finished, Tony. So let's move on to part two. In part two, you have to act as a tourist guide, and you have to explain what is Honking Temple Festival, okay, to the foreign people. Are you ready?
Yes.
So here's the thing that you need to follow when you discuss about Honking Festival. Ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
Hello, my name is Tony. I will be your tour guide. Today I will talking about Hung King Temple Festival in Vietnam. Hung King Festival is a national festival in Vietnam honor the first king of the nation. Hung King Temple Festival start at location in Hung King Temple in Phu Thọ. Hung King Festival start from 8th day to 12th, 11th day of the 12th lunar month annually. The people visit Hung King Festival are tourists and local people or many people in Vietnam. To remember Hung King Festival, celebrate to remember their origin and express their respect to Vietnamese ancestors. Hung King Temple have a lot of different activities such as folk dance, including bamboo swings, rice cooking competition. It have performance of the girl and swan singing during the festival.
Okay, so you need to improve your reading because you are reading, but you have the problem of reading. Yeah, commonly you don't pronounce basically you don't pronounce the ending sound. So maybe next time if you have this kind of test, you have to prepare and practice reading.
Yes.
Okay, for the part 3, talk about your favorite film. Okay?
Yes.
So for your favorite film, these are the guidance that you can use to describe your favorite film. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Hello, my name is Tony. Today I want to talk about my favorite film. My favorite film is Gran Turismo. It's an action film. The main character is young mother and her dad, her mom, her little brother, and her girlfriend. The plot is a man, his name Jan Madabal. He wants to be a racer. First, he is a player, a good player in the game named Gran Turismo. Then he wants to be a racer in Le Mans. Then he is won the Le Mans 22 hour in French. The ending is very hilarious because he is won the 22 hour Le Mans Cup. The visual of the film is very
Visual,
good.
not visual.
Visual is very good. It's very the visual is very beautiful. Pupil critic is very good. People love it so much, and I am a big fan of this film.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay. So things that you need to remember instead of pupil, it's people. Not pupil. Okay, and make sure to use the correct tenses. Okay, singular and plural. Okay, she or he wants. Okay, so that's the end of our speaking test. Tony?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.